In this video, I'm going to show you how to change page size in Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, you want to open your document, and then there's actually a few ways. The first one is to go to File, top left, and then you want to click on the Print menu. So click Print over here. And then in here, you can change the printer to Adobe PDF, which is the first option over here. And then you can adjust the page size, or of course, your paper size in Properties. So you can go to Properties over here, and it's going to take you in here where you can basically change it. So as you can see, it says Adobe PDF page size. You have like letter, you have different things like you have A1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to use. There's like a bunch of different ones, and you can do it that way. So if I change it, for example, to let's do A3 over here, I'm going to go and select everything else like it is, click on OK over here, and you can then create a PDF which is going to be changed in size just like that. Okay, now of course you could use this custom scale over here, you can use the fit button over here as well, so it's completely up to you whichever one you want to use. And that way when you click on print, it's going to save a new PDF over here and then open it up in a separate tab. So if I just go in another one, there we go, I'm going to save it over here, it's going to open it up just like this in a few seconds. So it's now exporting, and then it's going to of course kind of give you the resized PDF just like this, which is now in A3 as you can see. Okay, so we've changed the page size just like that, and that is by far the easiest way to do that. However, you could also go into organize pages over here on the right, and then in here where you can see organized pages, you could go and of course cut them as well. So you could go and of course change these over here, like you could right click, and then in here you could do crop pages. You can then crop them and apply different margin controls, page sizes, etc. But of course that's going to kind of cut off your pages, and usually it does. So if I go in, for example, put these to like 2 inches, and then 2 over here as well, 2, and then 2 over here as well. As you can see, it's cutting off my page and it doesn't really make any sense. So yeah, that's essentially how this works. That's how to change page sizes. Those are all the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.